respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, good afternoon to everyone. I am Swarna Kumari, Assistant General Secretary Women, Amravati Circle. So a few months back, in one of our EC meeting, we got an opportunity to interact with General Secretary Sri Somadatta sir, and sir was really concerned about the women in State Bank of India. Sir was saying that women are ready to conquer the world. Women are ready to go ahead in the bank, but they are not feeling safe or they are not ready to come forward in the association. So in this context, I would like to tell you that in Amaravati Circle, out of 84 members, 10 members are lady comrades, women comrades in the entire 84 members. And with the help of our president and our beloved General Secretary, we all lady comrades who are present in the EC are ready to take over or ready to empower all the women comrades in our entire Amravati Circle, and we are very happy and we are at safe in our circle. This is only because of the entire EC of Amravati Circle, which makes the total bank, which makes total Amravati Circle a safest place for all the women comrades in all the branches. Besides this, there are few things which we need to be taken at federation level. First is introduction of menstrual leave for the women comrades. Second is introduction of mammography test in the annual health checkup. Like you all know, the women in your houses, they will be taking care of you, of their parents, the child, everybody, but they won't have the time to take care of themselves. If you make it mandatory, definitely they'll undergo different tests which are mandatory for them so that they can take care of their health. Again, then coming to work-life balance. एक अगर घर में बच्चे अगर अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करके सफल होते हैं तो क्या कहते हैं, पापा ने बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाया है, पापा बहुत अच्छे से ख्याल रखते हैं. अगर वही बच्चा फेल हो जाता है तो कहते हैं मम्मी के लाड प्यार ने बिगाड़ दिया, मम्मी ध्यान नहीं देती है. लाड प्यार दोनों करते हैं, लेकिन सफलता में पापा को क्रेडिट मिलता है, और अगर कुछ गलती होती है, कुछ फेलियर होता है तो मम्मी को डांट पड़ती है. क्यों पड़ती है ना डांट? तो if we have a specific work-life balance for women also, like सुबह 9 बजे से रात को 9 बजे तक अगर एक लेडी ब्रांच में ही काम करेगी तो घर में जाके बच्चों को कब देखेगी, खाना कब बनाएगी, घर का कैसे ख्याल रखेगी. And everybody expect that a woman should be perfect in all ways. Even women have 24 hours in a day. They have to manage house, they have to manage their bank, they have to manage their kids, they have to manage their health, they have to manage everything. So we women want a regulated working hours so that we can take care of everything, because that is what is expected from a woman. Women should be 100% perfect. She is not supposed to make mistakes. She is not going to get second chance. So if that is the criteria for a woman to be justified or to be judged, then women should have a regulated working hours in banks also, sir. Then second, next point is sabbatical leave with pay. Like there are few instances when women are supposed to take sabbatical leave due to their health issues, other than education purposes or some other personal reason. Due to their health issues also they are taking sabbatical leave. So in that cases, it should be considered to have sabbatical leave with pay. And one more thing is calling officers on holidays. It's a common procedure which is followed. So what I request is please restrict women from calling on holidays, especially on festivals. During festivals, without a lady in your house, can you perform the puja? अगर वो लेडी अगर घर की पूजा छोड़ के बैंक में आ गई ना तो रात को 10 बजे तक वो बैंक की पूजा करेगी, आपके घर में पूजा नहीं होगी. So at least we can restrict women from attending offices on holidays, especially on festivals. And additional 12 days leave for office bearers is what is required in this present scenario. So along with this, the new logo Bank Bachao, Desh Bachao. So as AGS women of Amravati Circle, I assure you that all the women comrades of Amravati Circle, are with me, are with you, and they are ready to say that Bank Bachao, Desh Bachao. We are ready, we are always with you in this campaign, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my views. Thank you very much.
To Comrade Swarna, give her a big hand.